magsalita. But this is what you're going to do, boys. Will you please keep quiet? Teacher? Okay, this is what you're going to do. Stop the music, please. This is what you're going to do. You are just going to follow the action of the person before you. Okay? No need to say a word, but action only. Understand?
Okay.
Go. Ready, start. Everyone should face back. Ready, start now.
Nakabahan ako sa action natin. Ang galing pa naman.
Okay, next.
Do I need...
Okay, next. We are...
Wala!
Hindi na yan pwede! Hoy, hindi na yan pwede! Isa lang yan!
Okay, isa instruction
One
lang.
chance.
Okay. Okay, turn.
Ikaw muna.
Okay. Why mag-chin?
Patinin mo!
Doon lang. Okay, Jaja, turn around.
Ja.
Turn around. Okay. Fast up action. Okay, okay, no.
No.
Ano yun? Isa lang.
One time lang.
Okay.
Sakit ng
One
buya.
more. Sige, makasay mo kay kuya. Or turn around, kuya. Turn around. Okay. Okay, next. Kuya General, pasta. Kay kuya, ano? Okay. Ayaw. Clarissa is the last person. Okay, kuya. Turn around na.
Tay, turn around na, Tay.
Okay. Okay, come here.
Ang dila mo pa na mo pa ang dila ha. Ang dila.
Wala pa.
Ate Amy, ano po yung original action?
Wala pa si Tatay.
Ay,
Wala
tapos na.
si Tatay.
Punta siya dito.
Punta ka daw doon. Ikaw yung
Punta
last.
siya dito.
Ikaw yung actor.
original action po. Ipakita ko sa kanya yung na ano mo. Ano yung sinabi sa iyo? Na action.
Naglaya.
Ano po yung original action?
Nagmomotor, shoot!
Ay! Wala na!